how to activate super camera for the highest quality photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on camera. Next, scroll down, and in here you want to tap on Fusion camera. In photo capture, tap on Fusion camera, and at the top here, tap on additional lenses, so 28 and 35 millimeter. From here you can choose default to 28 millimeter or default to 35 millimeter. Now with Fusion camera, it is notable for its 48 megapixel sensor, which offers a significant improvement in image quality compared to the previous iPhone models. This higher resolution allows for more detail and clarity in photos, especially when zooming or when taking pictures in low light conditions. Now, in order for you to use Fusion camera, you also need to go to the photo format. So tap on format and make sure you choose photo mode 24 megapixel. If you select 12 megapixel, then the Fusion mode is disabled. So in here, you will not be able to switch them on. So make sure we go into formats and turn on 24 megapixel. And from there, you can use Fusion camera. So select 28 or 35, and then you can take pictures using your super camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.